Yes, sir. Are you that green brute force?
Me?
Yeah.
I just have a green brute force.
Oh, okay.
You look familiar too.
What?
You look familiar.
No.
That famous wager, right?
Yeah, exactly. Swamp ass? Are you swamp ass? What's up, buddy? Think y'all can hook up, double pull me now? Think y'all can double, triple pull me or some shit now? If someone gets like right here, and then someone else is pulling.
Yeah, I'm heaviest.
Yeah, you anchored to me.
I'm gonna sink.
Oh, okay.
Hey. Hey, man, you're pulling the side, I'll try to pull over here.
Stuck? All right, we're coming in a second. Hold on. Oh no! Don't you start with me, Chris. I should have gone in second gear.
How long is it? Just stayed in it. How long is it?
No, hold on. That's good. Hold on a second.
I thought it didn't work.
It doesn't work, but it won't go in. This is what I reeled out earlier. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Y que la chingada. 1, 2, 3. Huh. Hold on. Watch your fingers, Nate. Hold on. Am I on it? Let it go. Let it go to the left side. Hold it tight. Hold it tight. Hold on. Let's just have him pull me out, because I don't want to burn his winch up. He's been going for too long on that thing. Nate, you can just pull me out, Nate. Jeez, that stuff is nasty.
We gotta go get them.
Yeah, we're gonna go get them too.
Carlos, I thought I was gonna return the favor.
Oh my God. Well, we haven't done it yet though. Let's see, before you start talking. Keep on coming, oh, you gonna use the Walmart tail too? Stay on that dry ground. I got you. Smart man. All right, go ahead. Thank you, sir. Oh, God.
Now we gotta get Keith.
Yeah, let's go get Keith. Hey, thank you. Alvean, Karina, thank y'all. Y'all are the best. Thank you. I said thank you. Thank you. No, thank you. Kind of shit. Never mind, I take it back. They're freaking massive, aren't they? They feel really heavy. How bad is it? Oh, it don't look too. Did you break something?
No, just he's bottom down.
Oh.
I can just do it again.
Let's see. Let's hook up a couple bikes real quick. See if we can get it. You got your Walmart tail, right? Yeah. Hold on. Let's try something real quick.
Everybody else is coming out.
Oh, we got this. We got this. Chill. Let me see. All right. Go ahead and pull tight. You ready, Keith? There we go. All right. Whoa, whoa. Appreciate it. God bless America. Holy shit.
Hope I got that on video.
Oh, fuck. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it, brother.
Shit. Ain't no problem.
Thanks, sir. Oh, man. I didn't know we were gonna think we were going to get it for a second.
Yeah, there for a second we're going. I just tried walking and by the time I felt it, I was like,
There it is.
Yeah, there's
Shit.
something right there. Heavy.
Yeah, those things are freaking heavy. And they're so low to the ground, too, stock. Yeah.
That's like we went down the Blue Trail. Anyway, there's a hole and it goes, it's got a big hill at the end.
Yeah.
Well, that 680, he went on the left side. I'm like, hell, he made it pretty easy, so I hit the right side. I broke this right axle right here. You couldn't even see the tire.
Oh, damn. Holy shit. It's freaking crazy. Yeah, I saw this trail last night, and we turned around because everybody was getting stuck, so I wanted to see during the day, and it's pretty nice back here. I like it.
Plus, at night, everything looks the same.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly.
Yeah, we was riding around, we was like, well, we better turn around before we get lost.
Yeah, this is my first time out here, too, so I don't even know where the hell I'm going. Thank you, sir.
Same here.
Yeah.
First time I've ever been out here.
Shit. Well, appreciate it again, brother.
Oh, shit, ain't no problem.
God dang. Yeah, tell him, Keith, tell him to call off the reinforcements. We got it. Where were y'all at? Y'all just hanging out?
Yep.
What the fuck is that? Come on now. Golly.
I thought the Honda would get it, but it came
Oh, come on, buddy. I got a gear reduction, but hey, it don't work magic. You know what I mean?
What size gear did you get in there?
Just a 35. I had to.
I almost bought, is that gray one? That gray Rubicon?
No, it's a black one.
Because I was looking at one, because I was hung up between Honda and Can-Am. I was going to get a Rubicon, but the thing is, when I was going to buy it, it wasn't snorkeling covered on the board.
Right.
So I was just like, man. So I called up there West Monroe, they covered on the board.
Yeah, no kidding. And then 80 or 100 horsepower versus 26 is a big difference too. The almost 100 horsepower versus 26 is a.
Well, I got the 850, that only makes 78.
Oh, only?
I wanted a 1000, this dealership talked me out of it.
Yeah. Yeah, our buddy Shorty, he's got one of the 1000s. That thing's a freaking monster. He just put a Maverick diff in the rear because he kept on messing up his rear diff. Make sure you keep an eye on that water in there. I don't know if it affects the 850s, but yeah, he blew his diff out I think twice. It's bad. But he was pulling out side by sides and shit all the time, so probably wasn't the best for it.
Yeah, the little bar that goes on the back, I ripped it off trying to pull out a truck and plug it.
Oh damn! Shit.
I moved him about that far and he just went boom.
Damn.
I'm like, look man, that's all I can do.
Yeah, that's cool. I appreciate that though. That's awesome.
Oh shit, ain't no problem. I just seen y'all and I was like, well, I can't promise I'll get you out, but
Yeah.
I'll give her a hit.
Shit, hell yeah. That's what I'm talking about. More than y'all did.
I pulled you out.
Oh, that's right. Never
Got
mind.
on there and pushed a little bit.
Oh,
Stuck before this pretty bad.
Yeah. That's on my tires. They're all freaking extra wide right now. Shit.
Now, if you would have been stuck, that would have been pretty hard, but I thought you would still move.
Yeah, yeah. This looks like a job for the tiger tail. The tiger tail. Go ahead and hook that up. Let's show them how quick and effective this tiger tail is. Tiger Tail, only at tigertail.us. Yeah, you can buy a KFI one for a few dollars cheaper, but we all went the original Tiger Tail.
Don't you know our channel name is Low Budget Crew?
Yeah.
What's low budget about this?
Okay. All right. Ow! 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 What's up? Hold on, hold on. Damn it, my brakes. I'm trying to hold my brakes. You ready? On 3. 1, 2, 3. Might need both. Damn. What happened? What'd you do? What's that noise?
It's trying to click in.
Okay, I'm gonna have to pull them. I'm gonna have to pull them that way now. Let me see. Oh, I need to back up. Oh, I need to back up now. Go ahead and wrap that up. Pull you backwards. I'm gonna pull him backwards. He's clicking too much. I don't know. Let me see what it looks like real quick. I can be able to pull you through that shit. Go and hook up, and I'll just try to pull you up here.
Get your rope too.
I think that'll be all right. We'll just do one quick motion. Let me know when you got in reverse, buddy. Ready? 3, 2, 1, here we go. Hold on, hold on. Let me get back up here now. All right, you ready? No, working. Oh shit. You got a big ass stick that went through here. Uh-oh. I got a big stick in here. Unhook them and then pull forward. You got enough slack? Try to get it. There was ripping up my full board. Y'all need some help? Yo, yes sir.
Hey, what's up, man?
What's going on, brother? Oh, Swamp Heads, what's going on, bud? Nice to meet you.
Pleasure to meet you.
No problem. You wanna help? You wanna
Yeah.
get us up?
Here, get on there and hit the gas.
There, you good? You good?
Yeah.
That ran over my knee.
Oh shit. You okay?
Yeah.
See if it'll back up.
I thought I recognized the Honda.
There we go. Yes, sir.
Badass, man.
I appreciate it, brother.
Pleasure meeting
Hey,
you.
y'all take care. Are you sure you're all right? Okay. Let's go see if we can get him out.
Give me a tape to get him.
we were able to pull him out. He was just clicking. It was clicking real bad because we were pulling him into that rut this way. I think that front left one broke. Damn. Those Mamba lights too much for the brute force?
There's no axle.
Oh shit. Damn. Oh, it's done. Now he's technically two-wheel drive, right? Because it's gonna keep on trying to spin that one that's got the least traction, or the. Woo! Keith, thank you, sir.
No problem.
You able to get out of there? All right. You gonna put this in your dad's thing?
Wait.
Whoa, what?
You got the zip ties?
Yeah.
I think we're gonna zip tie that.
You good?
That way it doesn't flop around.
Okay. He went that way, not me. I went the easy way. What's that?
You can't get stuck, right?
But tonight this is going crazy. Let me get this here, brother. That's what I was saying. I think he's gonna be two-wheel drive now.
Yeah.
Chris, you should have went the nice way. Nice, easy way.
It looked better over there.
That's ridiculous. Holy shit. Yeah, I heard that click. I was like, that doesn't sound right. That's why I wanted to stop. But I didn't know the damage was already done. Like,